Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, A Day in Rimi's Life. I hope everybody is doing good. I know that I was not being able to post anything for the last few days, or I would say nearly a month, because life happened and there were like so many series of events that was happening. However, among those events, one of the events holds a very special part in my heart, and I'll take you through that in this particular video. So recently, I got a chance to walk the ramp for the Bengali calendar shoot in Siliguri. This event was in association with Shubh Umeed and Daily Prime in Siliguri, and the makeup was partnered by Rumu's makeup salon. I will share all the details of their social media handle in the description below so that you can check it out. Maybe just to give you a little bit of a background, this calendar shoot was not for like our ages. It was for teen Miss and Mrs. So you can see the participants over here who are doing their makeup from all age groups. So here is my friend Ankita, and she has really something to say about the event. What are you doing? Tumi ki korcho?
I'm waiting for my makeup to be done.
Oh, fashionista.
We're having rehearsals for this the whole week. So this is the final day. We're waiting for our makeup to be done.
So after a week's practice, the event day was finally here, and we were all sitting there preparing for the evening. Now, that day itself, I got a very bad infection on my neck, and I had to put in a lot of band-aids so that the makeup can cover that up, but it didn't help after all. Now, I was just sitting to do my hair and makeup. I already wore the dress, and here is another teen lady who was just trying to be a vlogger, and she was asking questions from other people who already got ready. Just to give you a heads up, that day was very hot, and unfortunately the AC in the makeup academy was not working as well. So people were kind of all frustrated and they were very hot, although they were also very excited for the event to get started. Honest, it was all women participants, and we literally had great fun in the makeup academy. Here I am with half makeup done. My eyes were the main attraction in the entire makeup, because I had to put on a minimalistic makeup. I was portraying a classic actress, Parveen Babi, from the song Jawani Janeman Haseen Dilruba. Completing the makeup, we went to the event location, ML Acropolis Mall, Siliguri, and this was a scene in the backstage of the green room. The event started with an opening dance, beautifully done, setting the mood right for all the audiences present in the mall. Anyway, this ramp was a contest for getting selected for the Bengali calendar shoot, and there were judges also who would take the decision who would be the 12 people who get selected for the calendar shoot. So the anchor was about to start the event, and the first round was Retro to Metro. In this round, we were supposed to dress up or create a look of an iconic actress from the late, let's say 70s, or I would say 60s. So you have seen Saira Banu from the movie Parosa, and you've seen Dimple Kapadia from the movie Bobby, and then it was Zeenat Aman from Dam Maro Dam, from Aajkal Tere Mere Pyar Ki Charche Har Zaban Par. Obviously can't give the song because of copyright issue, and I had to play the part of Parveen Babi from this song Jawani Janeman Haseen Dilruba. Now in this particular let's say the round, people were not seeing the walk that you were doing, but rather how you were able to enact the actress or the heroine that you have chosen for. Here is my friend Ankita again, and she played the role of Nargis from Pyar Hua Ikrar Hua. How pretty is she looking, isn't it? It suited her character so well. The next round was Indo-Western round, where we were supposed to wear Indian skirt with a westernized top. This round was a partner round, and it was important that you are synchronized with your partner. I got my partner Dipshika, and she is a tiny teen girl who is very smart, and I loved walking with her and sharing the stage with her. She was so confident, and the height matched, the structure of the figure also kind of matched. So we were kind of looking very good together. And it is very important that you look good and you walk good with your partner as well, because you're being judged on that basis. Third round was to showcase the Banarasi sarees sponsored by Maryada Rajgharaana by Jeet and Dev, and they were so good and comfortable to wear. So I must refer people from Siliguri to definitely visit their store and get some dresses from them. Show ended at a very good note, where I was also selected to be one of the participants for the calendar shoot, and we got the performance prize, and then it was the last walk with your trophy to showcase your achievements. And along with that, we were also being able to call upon the stage the organizer Shubh. It was such a memorable and a prestigious moment to capture, and it was a very eventful evening and something to remember throughout my life. One of the best experiences I've had. So that's it for today, and I will see you again soon. Bye.